My video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the online scam related to the website Hanigs.xyz. Some people see these pop-ups by Hanigs.xyz, and obviously these pop-ups are fake and really deceptive. Don't trust them. Such pop-ups basically claim to be related to the well-known security program, but this is not true. These pop-ups are fake. And their purpose is to trick you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. Don't trust these pop-ups, leave this page immediately. We also recommend that you carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then after it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.